Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you review of Patanjali Swasri Syrup. So this 250 ml syrup has MRP of Rs 85 and it has a shelf life of 3 years. If you see the ingredient list here, each 10 ml contain Tulsi, Dalchini, Long, Saunt, Mulethi, Kali Mirch. These are the ones which I know. There are others I have not heard their names before. There are total 16 natural herbs and ingredients. Anyways, all the ingredients are Ayurvedic and safe to use. This syrup is available at Patanjali stores and online at different platforms also. Dosage instruction says take 10 ml of syrup, which is basically 2 tablespoons in lukewarm water. And yes, after meals only, you can take this 2 to 3 times a day or as directed by your physician. For kids and pregnant ladies, it is advisable to consult with your physician, or there is a free consultation at Patanjali store by the Vaidya. You can consult there. For my 8-year-old boy, it was 5 ml 2 times in a day with lukewarm water. So this syrup tastes sweet and with lot of thanda flavor. It kind of soothes the throat. It's a very good medicine for dry cough. And yes, it helps in providing effective relief from cough and cold. It is recommended to have this at home always. It kind of suits me and my family. I hope you find the video useful. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.